So have you ever had that feeling where you're just drowning in data, but you're starving for actual insights? Well, today we're going to tackle that exact problem by diving into Microsoft Power BI. We're going to see how it takes all those confusing numbers and turns them into clear stories that you can actually use. Let's get right into it.
Here's a problem that pretty much every single business faces. Doesn't matter if you're big or small. We're surrounded by data, right? Sales figures, customer feedback, you name it. But just having all that information, it doesn't magically give us the answers. The real trick is learning how to cut through all that noise to find what really matters.
Okay, to make this really hit home, let's follow the story of a business owner. We'll just call him Mr. X. He's running a super successful expanding chain of general stores. And data, it's pouring in every single day. But he's quickly finding out that more data doesn't necessarily mean more clarity. In fact, sometimes it's the opposite.
Just look at the scale of what Mr. X is dealing with here. He's got multiple stores, countless products, and that leads to thousands of transactions every single day. We're talking purchases, sales, expenses, it all just keeps piling up. His sales data alone creates over 36,000 records a year, and it's all dumped into these massive, clunky Excel files. He's not just dealing with data, he's facing a data avalanche.
And this brings us right to the heart of the issue. Mr. X is sitting on a mountain of information, but what is it actually telling him? Which store is making the most money? What products are just flying off the shelves? Where should he invest next? All the clues are buried in those Excel files, but they aren't giving him any answers. He's totally data-rich, but completely insight-poor.
And this is exactly where Power BI comes into the picture. Yeah, it's a business intelligence tool from Microsoft, but let's forget the jargon for a second. Its real job is simple: to take that overwhelming, messy data like Mr. X's and turn it into clear insights so you can make smart, confident decisions. Think of it as the bridge that gets you from data chaos to real-world answers.
To really get the power of this tool, this analogy is just perfect. Trying to sift through thousands of rows in a spreadsheet, well, that's like studying a really dense textbook. It's slow, it's tedious work. But visualizing that exact same data in Power BI, that's like watching a movie. The story, the key moments, they just jump right out at you.
And think about it, right? You might struggle to remember a textbook chapter you crammed for months, but you can probably recall a movie you saw just one time for years. It's because our brains are just wired for visual stories, and that's precisely what Power BI helps you build with your data.
So here's what that looks like in the real world. Instead of handing someone a 100-page report that, let's be honest, nobody's going to read, you give them a single, interactive dashboard. Your team can click around, explore, and get the whole business story in just a glance. It's a game changer. It's the shift from confusion to clarity.
Okay, so this is the number one question people always ask. Wait, isn't this just a fancier version of Excel? And you know what? That's a totally fair question, since most of us live in spreadsheets. But the answer is a hard no. It's a completely different beast. Let's break down exactly why.
Let's really look at this. Excel is awesome for entering data and doing some basic calculations, but Power BI, it was built from the ground up for massive scale analysis. Excel starts to cry at around 1 million rows. Power BI can handle hundreds of millions without breaking a sweat because of how it compresses data. And the visuals, they aren't just prettier, they're interactive. Plus, it's designed for online collaboration, which is a huge step up from emailing files back and forth.
So we know what it does, but how does it actually work? How does it take Mr. X's messy spreadsheets and turn them into this polished, interactive dashboard? Well, it's not really magic. It's actually a pretty logical 5-step process.
Okay, so first, Mr. X would get data by connecting Power BI straight to those messy Excel files. Then he'd transform it, cleaning up typos, fixing formatting. Third, he would model the data, which is just a fancy way of saying he'd link his sales records to his product list. Fourth, he'd calculate new things like profit margin for each item. And finally, the fun part, he'd visualize it all in a dashboard that shows his best stores and hottest products.
This all sounds really powerful, I know, but who's actually using this in the real world? Like, which jobs need this skill? You might be surprised by just how common this has become. The range of people using this is honestly incredible. I mean, of course you have your data analysts and financial analysts, that's a given, but think way bigger. HR managers use it to track employee performance, marketing teams use it to see if their campaigns are working, supply chain folks use it to optimize logistics. From business owners like Mr. X all the way to students and freelancers, the reason is the same. If your job touches data, Power BI can make you way better at it.
And for anyone looking to get ahead in their career, this is so important. Knowing Power BI isn't just a nice-to-have skill anymore. It's becoming a core requirement. Putting this on your resume signals something really valuable that companies are desperate for: the ability to turn all that messy data into actual, useful insights.
And that demand? Well, it shows up directly in your paycheck. In today's job market, someone just starting out but with solid Power BI skills can expect a starting salary somewhere in the range of 4 to 8 lakhs per annum. That is a fantastic return on the time you'd invest in learning this tool.
When you boil it all down, this is what it's about. Behind every single spreadsheet and every sales report, there's a story just waiting to be told. It's a story about your customers, your biggest wins, and your next big move. Power BI is the tool that helps you find that story and then share it in a way that everyone can finally understand. So, I'll leave you with this question to think about. There's data all around you, at work, in your projects, even in your personal life. Power BI is like a special lens that lets you see it all differently. So, what story is hidden in your data?